To transfer money with a Sterling bank code, you will need to have a Sterling bank account and a mobile phone. First, ensure that your phone number is registered with your Sterling bank account. If it is not, visit a Sterling bank branch to update your account information. The Sterling bank code for transferring money is 822. To initiate a transfer, dial 822 and follow the prompts. You will be asked to enter your account number, so have this information ready. The next step is to create a PIN to secure your transactions. This PIN is a 4-digit number that you will use to authorize all your transactions. Choose a PIN that is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. After creating your PIN, you can proceed to transfer money. To do this, dial 822, enter your account number, and select the transfer option. You will be asked to enter the recipient's account number and bank name. Make sure to enter the correct account details to avoid any errors. Once you have entered the recipient's account details, you will be asked to enter the amount you wish to transfer. Enter the amount and confirm that it is correct. The final step is to authorize the transaction using your PIN. Enter your PIN to complete the transfer. You will receive a confirmation message once the transfer is successful. It is essential to keep your PIN and account details secure to avoid any unauthorized transactions. Never share your PIN or account details with anyone. And always check your account statement regularly to ensure that all transactions are legitimate. In case you encounter any issues during the transfer process, you can contact Sterling Bank customer service for assistance. They are available to help you resolve any problems you may have. By following these steps, you can easily transfer money using the Sterling bank code. This method is convenient, fast, and secure, making it a great option for anyone who needs to transfer money quickly.